What if I told you that you already have an AI assistant on your phone? No expensive device, no special software. If you use WhatsApp to stay in touch with family and friends, it's already there, waiting for you. You can tag Meta AI to ask anything like it's your personal assistant right inside WhatsApp. Need to understand a term you don't know, want to fact check something you just saw, or even design a birthday card for someone in your group chat. Just tag at Meta AI and it jumps right in to help. There are so many things you can do with it. Now here's my favorite one. I'm on WhatsApp, chatting with my friend about a trip to Spain. And to bring Meta AI into the conversation, you just tag it. That's the key. Every time you need it, just tag at Meta AI. Remember it and send. Look at that. Pretty detailed, right? Days, prices, airlines, everything right here in our chat. Now, if I tap this link 1, this is the source, it's from Expedia. But there's more. Let's take a quick look at another source. Each number is a source you can tap into and see the full details directly. This time, I'll pick 3. And this next one, this is interesting. Oh, this is Momondo. See what just happened? Meta AI went out, searched the internet, compared everything, and brought it back as a simple summary. Pretty cool, right? And I see there's even more I can do here. Wait, can I actually book this? And don't forget the tag. Oh wow, I can. Okay, this is really nice. So you see, there is so much you can do all within your WhatsApp chat. And the best part? Your friend sees everything too. They can tag Meta AI themselves and jump right in. Now I just showed you a simple example, planning a trip with a friend using Meta AI like a travel consultant. But honestly, there are so many ways to use this in your group chats with family. Here's a real example. Every time my mother-in-law comes across a word or term she doesn't understand, I just tag Meta AI and ask it to explain it. Simple. No Googling, no switching apps. I've even used it to explain things like the rose ceremony from The Bachelor. She had zero context for the show, which honestly made it even funnier. At this point, I think she believes I have a PhD in everything. And honestly, I'm not correcting her. Or it can break down events, help you understand what's actually going on, or quickly fact check something when it sounds a bit off. Basically, Meta AI is your what's actually happening button in the group chat. And you can even generate images. Just think of anything that comes to mind, or design a birthday card with all the details you want included. Just say at Meta AI, design a card with everything you know about my dad. So next time you're in a group chat, just try it. You already have it. You just didn't know it yet. Just tag at Meta AI and it jumps right in to help. Follow along for more. Your phone can do way more than you think.